In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cutting line on your GREENWORKS bump feed trimmer head. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded models featuring this bump head assembly. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. You will require 15 feet of replacement trimmer line. Trimmer line comes in different diameters. Refer to your owner's manual to ensure that you're using the correct size line for your unit. Let's get started. Rest the unit on a flat surface with the trimmer head facing up. Push the tabs on the sides of the spool cover at the same time to lift it. Please note this may require a significant amount of pressure. Take the spool out. Remove any remaining trimmer line and ensure that there is no debris in the trimmer head assembly. Note the direction of the arrows on the spool. Find the center of the trimmer line and fold it in half. Insert the bend into the guide slot located on the center rim of the spool. Keep the lines separated. Wrap the lines evenly and firmly around the spool in the direction of the arrows. Secure the cutting lines in the guide slots so they don't unravel. Place the spool into the spool cover. Pull the line out of the guide slots. Insert the ends of the line through the eyelets in the spool cover. Reinstall the spool and cover into the trimmer head base. Push it until the cover clicks into place. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.